Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Ignore this nail because it is very much broken and it hurt very bad and I'm very upset about it, but it's what it is. Also my thumbs look like crap, so my nails are not in great shape right now. They're gonna have to regrow, so I'm trying not to cry about it, but it has been not fun. But I subscribed to the Orly Color Pass, and I think this is the summer box. I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure. If it is the summer box, I'm sure other people have already posted videos of it, but I have not seen it, or at least I don't remember seeing it. But we will find out. So I'm super excited. So this is just I think it's a 4 times a year, like every 3 months, every season comes out with a box with a themed collection. So I'm super excited. I love Orly polish. They're some of my favorites. I love the size of the bottles. So I'm super excited to get into this. I'll use my little knife here. So here's the box. It says Orly, love your nails. So we just got some brown paper. Ooh, okay, so this is actually the fall box. And the thing is plot twist. I love the color of the card. So I'm guessing that there still may be some people that's posting or getting ready to post. But yeah, so this is the fall box coming up. Oh, it's got the shades on the back. I'm sure this is like a mixture of the shades, but I don't really want to look at them separately. Ooh, okay. So this box does come with some extras, which is super exciting. So this is the Orly Breathable Protein Boost Nail Strengthener. Okay. I can definitely use that. My nails are brittle. They're feeling not so strong right now, and it's not wanting to focus on this box for some reason. Oh, full-size bottle. Excited to give that a try. Then we have another little extra in here. Ooh, so we got a whole separate color. That's cool. Okay, I don't know why it is not wanting to focus right. Unless I'm zoomed way in. No idea. But this is just a really nice... I thought it was gray, but there's like a little bit of a pink or purple tone showing up, and there is a shimmer in there. This is called Aloe Goodbye. So is it a green? I can't really tell. I'm not really sure how to describe this. Maybe it is like a very pale green. There's definitely a pink hue showing up. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but maybe there in the bottle you can see it a little bit. But either way, I really like this, and it's exciting to have a whole extra polish in here. Okay, so here is the 6-piece lacquer collection plot twist. Ooh, okay, so already so excited. Definitely screaming fall. Okay, so I'm just going to start on this end. So we are starting with a nice pinky nude. That is such a pretty nude. And this is called Shaky Alibi. Cute name. I'm liking the theme of the collection so far. It's kind of like a mystery kind of feel so far. That is a beautiful nude polish. Like, I absolutely love this. So excited to give this a try. Beautiful. Alright, so let's give this a swatch. So there is in one coat. It is pretty opaque in one coat, but that is a gorgeous nude. I will go back through and give everything a second coat a little later on. But again, that is Shaky Alibi. Okay, so next we have a classic Krugly greeny yellow baby food kind of color, and I absolutely love these polishes. They're some of my favorites. And this one is called Act of Folly. So pretty. Like, I genuinely do like these colors. I know, like, they are considered like a pretty ugly polish, but I really do enjoy them. So let's give this one a swatch. So there it is. Again, pretty opaque in one coat. I kind of missed a spot right there on the edge, but that's all right. Again, Act of Folly. All right, next we have this beautiful mid-tone brown. It has just a touch of warmth to it, but it really reminds me of like a chocolatey milk kind of shade. And this one is called Don't Be Suspicious. Love that. But that is such a flattering brown. It has just enough warmth in it without leaning like red. Again, very opaque in one coat. And these all are cream finishes. I think there's just one specialty finish in this set. So far, very fall. Love it. And again, that is Don't Be Suspicious. Okay, now for the brightest one in the collection. And this is just a beautiful pumpkin orange. It's not too bright. It's kind of got that dusty, muted, cozy pumpkin quality to it. Definitely reminds me of like fall decor that I really enjoy. And this is in the conservatory. Oh, I love that. It's a Clue reference. I absolutely love the game Clue. So really like that. My favorite name so far. I am such a mystery girl. I love mystery shows. I love to read mysteries. So I really like the theme of this collection. Oh, that is just a beautiful, perfect pumpkin orange. Absolutely in love with that color. And again, very opaque in one coat, but I will be doing two. And again, that is in the conservatory. All right, now we have a beautiful charcoal gray. I love a gray polish. This is very like cool toned. On the edges, it almost is like giving a little bit of a purple vibe. It's not purple, but it's kind of giving a little bit of that like really cool toned hue. And this one is called Unraveling Story. Oh. Beautiful gray cream. So there is that. Again, it's very opaque. You could almost do one coat of that polish along with the orange and the brown. These ones probably are going to definitely need two, but these three are pretty much one coaters. But that is a gorgeous gray. It's just deep enough that it's very like vampy, but it's not black, and it's got that very cool toned, almost purple or blue kind of feel to it. Absolutely love that. Alright, and lastly, our one specialty finish of the collection. It's got tape all over it. So this is a steel blue metallic-y kind of shimmer finish. This reminds me of Essie's Brocade Crusade. Just looking at it in the bottle, I might have to compare those. And that is one of my favorite polishes. But that twinkle in there is so pretty, and it's such a gorgeous blue. Just a very steel blue. And this one is called Endless Night. Definitely night sky vibes. Again, it's kind of giving a purple feel in some angles. I don't know if that's going to show up on camera. I feel like you can see that a little bit. Actually, it might even have like, is there a purple shimmer in there? I can't really tell. Let's see if we can swatch it and get a little bit more of an idea. Okay, there's definitely something in there giving off a little bit of purple. I feel like you're seeing it a little bit. I feel like there's definitely a purple shift. But there are all 6 colors. I'm absolutely obsessed. I feel like this is just so very much on point for fall. I love the whole vibe. And again, this one is Endless Night. Now I'm going to go through and give everything a second coat. Okay, so there is everything in 2 coats, and honestly, these 4 could almost be 1 coaters depending on your nail length and application. The first 2, I do feel like you are going to need 2 coats to get full opacity, but those last 4 are extremely opaque. But look how saturated and beautiful. You are going to be able to see some brush strokes with the Endless Night polish because it does have that like pearlized metallic quality to it, but that does not bother me. But these are beautiful, silky, smooth creams. Honestly, I absolutely love this collection. I love the theming. I love the color selection, the saturation, all of it. I'm such a fall girl. I'm such a vampy polish girl. And this is just, even just the pruggly, ugly green, I am absolutely obsessed. I love this so, so much. I feel like they did such a good job. Now let's look a little bit at the card here. We have our little names. I love the artwork that they've done on this. I think it's really cute. Now that I have all of these swatched, I am going to swatch the Aloe Goodbye. So there is in 1 coat. It's definitely a little bit more of a sheer polish, but it's very unique. It's got that like green, funky hue to it with a little bit of like a purple. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna come back for a second coat. Okay, gonna go in with a second coat. Okay, definitely deepens up in that second coat. That is such an interesting shade. I honestly really, really like this. The closest I can think of, hold on, baby. Yeah.
Are you done?
Almost. So it's kind of making me think of this kind of polish where you have like the purple with that kind of green, blue shift, but it's more of a green with a little bit of a purple shift. So I don't have anything quite like that, and I honestly really, really like it. So altogether, these are the polishes that came in the box. I'm so, so very pleased. Let me know, what is your favorite? What do you thought of this, the fall Orly Color Pass, if you subscribe to it, and if not, Just let me know what you think. What's your favorite color? Mine would probably have to be the pumpkin orange color, just because it gives me like those real cozy fall vibes. But honestly, it would be hard to really pick. Like, I would pick that one, but it would be very close because there's not a color here I don't like, even the Aloe Goodbye one. So super, super excited to give all of these a try. I have so many nail tattoos, fall nail tattoos, that I'm excited to try with a lot of these. So yeah, just super excited. Okay guys, so I found these nail tattoos in my collection. Sorry, I'm like holding my phone and I need to clean up my edges, but they were perfect for these nail colors. So I did a really cute little manicure. I got these from Shein. If you're interested in their nail tattoos, they are really good. But I was just kind of going through trying to think of what kind of manicure I wanted to do, and when I saw these, I absolutely knew I had to play with some of my new polish, and these tattoos literally look like they go together. Absolutely perfect. So I just want to throw that in there. Love you guys. Bye. But that's going to be it for this video. I love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.